Hello viewers and welcome back to Cooking and DIY, where, as you know, we cook delicious meals and we do jobs around the house, to avoid the need for a tradesman. Now, if this is your first time watching any of my videos, I'd appreciate if you could give me a like, leave a positive comment and subscribe. Now today we're gonna do a delicious rice and peas Jamaican style, but without coconut milk. Now let's go straight into the video. I'm gonna quickly run through the ingredients for this delicious rice and peas recipe. As I said earlier, this is without any coconut milk because I don't have the luxury of going outside and getting a coconut. So this is the rice, red kidney beans. This is some homemade green seasoning paste. This is my recipe. This is some wet jerk seasoning paste, some dry jerk seasoning, spring onion, some fresh thyme, a yellow and red bell pepper. This is a Scotch bonnet pepper, and I also have an onion. Of course, I'll add some salt as well. Right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some of these red kidney beans in this container here. Now that I've got it in the container, I'm gonna just give this a good wash. All I need to do is to just transfer the washed beans into this pot. I'm gonna add some water and I'll leave this overnight. So these red kidney beans will be soaked. And so this is the red kidney beans that was left overnight. If I use a spoon and just take one out, this is one of the beans that was left to soak. This is what the bean looked like last night, and left overnight to soak in the water. Look how big it becomes. What's good about this as well, it's much easier to cook than when it's like this. Now that the bean is soaked in the water, I'm gonna start to cook it now on a low flame. Because I'm doing other stuff, I'm just going to leave it there and it will take its time and cook. And once it's cooked, I'll add the other ingredients and the rice, and then you'll see the finished product. Okay, so it has been some time since this is cooking now. If you look here, so the beans start to break apart, so I know that this is not cooked. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to chop the vegetables up and put them in the pot. And then after about 5 or so minutes, then I'll wash the rice thoroughly and add it in the pot as well. Okay, so this is all the vegetables that I'm gonna add in the pot. Right, as you see, I've added all the vegetables in the pot that I was chopping up earlier. Now this here is some of my homemade green seasoning paste. So this is some jerk seasoning paste. This is a dry jerk seasoning powder. Just gonna add some as well. I have already had some salt as well, so I'm not gonna put any more salt in. Final ingredient I'm gonna add in before I add the rice is some butter. And I'm just gonna replace the lid on the pot for an extra 5 minutes. So here is the rice. I'm gonna give it a thorough wash. This water now, and then I'll add the rice straight into the pot. The rice right in. So the secret of cooking a nice fluffy shelly rice, you don't want to add too much water in the pot. So you want the water to be just above where the rice is, just like this. And then you want to turn down the hob. At this stage, I'm going to replace the lid. I'm going to give it a few minutes, then I'm going to come back and have a check. Going very nicely. What I'm going to do now at this stage is just to gonna replace the lid just like that and allow the rice to steam nicely. I have turned down the hob as low as possible. I'm not in any rush, so this will just stay there and steam. And what is the good thing about this is that I can go and attend to other stuff while this is just there. It will not burn or anything. Okay, I think this rice and peas should be now ready. So let me take this lid off. Whoop. Okay, this looks really delicious. Let me just wow. Right, so there you have it. I'm just gonna have a taste. Look at this. Really delicious and yummy. Let me have a taste. This is really nice. Cooked to perfection. Very much for watching. I do appreciate your support. Please remember, give me a like, leave a positive comment and subscribe. Goodbye.